Hi guys, in this video I will talk about the biggest mistake all the guitarists make. So you are watching this video because you want to improve your playing and I will try my best to help you. So the biggest mistakes itself, practicing with the mistakes. When Joe Satriani having lessons by Lenny Tristano, there was one rule.
And you made a mistake, the lesson was over.
So it was the same with the Steve Vai too.
And
that happened to me once with you.
really?
Yeah, like my second or third lesson. And I came back to a lesson, and one of the first things Joe says is, okay, play an F sharp on the B string. And I went, and he goes, stop, lesson over. And sent me home. It was great. And the walk home was one of the most turning points in my life.
So how you can avoid making mistakes? You have to find the perfect starting point for your playing. So what does it mean? So you have to be able to play that exercise or song without making any mistakes, like minimum 3 times, 5 times. So you have to find that point with your practice regime. Once you find that spot, everything will be so quick. So improving your speed will be so easy for you. You will just practice and you will get the result. So I have some rules. When you make a mistake, you have to just stop there and start from the beginning. Because if you keep playing with the mistakes, you will learn make better mistakes. So you have to stop there and start from the beginning. And second rule, if you're still making same mistake, you have to slow down your tempo, let's say 10 BPM or 10%. And you have to be quick about that. You have to find your best practice tempo quickly. Because if you don't, you will waste time. Let's say you start practicing with the 100 BPM and your best tempo is 50. You will play 5 times with the mistakes and you will slow down to 90, 80, 70 and you will waste maybe 1 day, maybe a few days. So I'm hearing from my students or from guitarists, like they are saying, I wasn't able to play that practice for 4 days. And I'm like, how? So you have to be quick about to finding your best starting tempo. Once you find your best tempo, you will keep playing and you will increase tempo 10 BPM and you will get there very quickly and you will improve your speed so fast and smooth. And this is not just practicing with the metronome. I am talking about improvising too. So let's say you are improvising A minor and you are making mistakes, you continue. Try same thing. When you make a mistake, stop and start from the beginning. And you will see that. First time you will make a mistake in your first 15 seconds and later on you will be able to play 30 seconds without any mistake and then you will see that you will be able to play like 5 minutes improvising and without any mistakes. So we are not just talking about practicing with the metronome, we are talking about practice regime. So I've been teaching for 20 years and last 7 years I am teaching professionally and internationally. Yesterday I started with a new student and he asked me how many hours per day I should practice. And I was like, you can practice 4 hours per day, but if your efficiency is 10% or 5%, which means like you play one exercise 10 times and you make 9 mistakes, that means your efficiency is 10%. Make the calculation. If you practice with the 10% efficiency for 10 years, that means you will waste 9 years of practice. And which is not cute, guys. So I have a lesson video of a change of seasons Carpe Diem arpeggio from Dream Theater and I get a comment like that. So I'm playing guitar for 10 years and I'm not able to play that song. You are saying that song is beginner or intermediate song. Yeah, it's all related to efficiency because lots of my students are able to play that song in 3 months to 6 months. So if you get there in 10 years, that means your practice efficiency is too low. So one day another student asked me like, I want to play with my mistakes. My mistakes defines me and gives me some character. Like Jimi Hendrix makes mistakes, Frusciante makes mistakes, but we are not talking about having a style or character in your playing. We are just talking about here the practice regime and the fundamentals of your playing. So we are talking about getting improved and using your time efficiently. another question I have frequently asked, what do you think about my improvement? Like when you compare me with the other students, what do you think? So you shouldn't compare yourself with the others. You have to be just in a race with yourself. If you practice efficiently, you will be a great guitarist. Just focus on that. So I would like to repeat my rules. If you make a mistake, just stop there and start from the beginning. When you make mistake few times, just slow down the tempo. And once you find the best practice tempo, start to increase your speed gradually. And everything will be smooth and fast. So these are the most frequently asked questions related to this topic. In this video, I didn't share any student performances or some videos from lessons. But if you want to see my student performances, you can find the link below and you can click the card here or here, not sure. And if you want to see more videos from my students, you can follow my Instagram page. Mostly I'm sharing my student performances there. And thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope all the rules and everything will work for you. And I hope this video will be helpful for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button next to it. And I hope to see you on my upcoming videos. Cheers, guys.